You got me again. Hurry up and love your best brother. This one is carrying a tertiary bag. She is a girl who loves camping very much. After stopping to observe to Anna half country before going out. So meet rushed here, going to a rainy day camping, in order to prepare for the heavy rain. Just take out a piece of tin tissue paper and spread it on the ground. But here's the thing. Avoid the risk of contracting rheumatoid arthritis in advance. Put it directly on the tinfoil. They are all customized according to the size of the tent. So here's the thing. Adjust it in order to meet the approaching storm, or honestly drive the ground nails into the soil. Otherwise, it will be blown away by the wind. I'm not ready yet. The rain began to fall densely. The tarp is propped up over the tent. After all, the equipment you brought is settled. Start tidying up the interior of the tent. Me also removed the ink from the tent. Meat finds the darkness of rainy days. So he decisively took it out and went out. After assembly, you can hang the hanging light and light it up. It has waterproof and unsupported meat. Ingredients purchased in the supermarket. Give him a set of massages manually. Then you can take out the seasoning. For lean meat, chicken breast is a key weapon for him to stay in shape. Same thing on the other side. You need to use a knife and fork immediately. You just have to hold it in one hand and the fork in the other. Squeeze a little salad dressing on the surface. Plus meet super tomato of love sauce. 100 points for the appearance of meat. Leave your unique opinion in the comment area. Distride the meat in the bowl. Sunshine Rose has become the best choice. You can take off your shoes and socks after drinking it in one bite. Transfer the hanging lights to the inside of the tent. After confirming that it is safe, you can lie down peacefully.